What did you say, Natalie?
Say it, Lou. Say it.
It.
No! Say what I said earlier. I wanted him to say, fucking retard, was episode 1.
Episode 1.
You're so frustrating.
Volume 1.
Okay, this is volume 1.
And
Of what?
of stoners. Wait, what's gonna be our
Stoners in the IE.
Yeah, this is our show, you guys. Excuse me. We gotta talk about. Let's pick a topic for today. We're gonna talk about.
Sorry.
Kylie,
You see,
the topic today.
that's crazy.
The topic
Pick
today.
something good, like politics or something.
Politics. Okay.
Or something else. Aliens, Antichrist, you know.
Are there concentration camps in America?
Oh yeah, let's talk about that.
Are we going to get taken away by our own fucking government?
Crazy.
Yeah,
Anyways.
Oh shit, I'll be right back. You keep talking. Okay.
Landon! It's gonna be the next subject. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Did we even cover the last one?
Oh yeah. Standards in the IE.
Yeah.
Episode 1. Sorry guys. We're back on track. Okay.
This is gonna happen a lot.
We're stoners. Concentration camps. The FEMA. They have them everywhere.
And they have double-decker buses with shackles and benches for humans to sit in, and they're gonna run them through gas chambers and gas people out while they're in the trains.
It's horrible.
It's a double-decker train.
And we think it's true.
Well, what if it's not true? What if it's just a bunch of bullshit?
Why are all these concentration camps here? Like, there's so many of them that he's ordered to
What
be
if they're
built,
not concentration?
and,
They're saying they're not concentration camps. They're saying there's something else.
Prisoners
Why would they need like all
of
that?
all these coffins.
And there's nobody in there. They're empty, but they're fully staffed places, is what I've heard. But we don't know for a fact. You know, this is
I
just.
think it's what's gonna happen. What it says in the Bible.
Yeah.
That freaking like.
2012, everybody.
Okay. So, do we keep going,
Oh.
or did we cover it?
Lou, what is your thoughts on concentration camps?
Do you think it's true, or do you think it's a rumor?
I don't even know. I don't know.
Okay, people.
We'll be back.
And be back.